Hey, here is Shabnum with English news. Headlines: Money laundering hearing of Asif Ali Zardari's actual plea adjourned. The Accountability Court has adjourned the hearing of acquittal pleas filed by former President Asif Ali Zardari in money laundering reference due to busy schedule of his counsel Farouk H. Naik in other courts. Omicron thrives in airways, not lungs. Major difference in how efficiently Omicron and other variants of the coronavirus multiply may help predict Omicron's effects, researchers said on Wednesday. Gas supply suspension. APTMA summons emergency meeting. The Pakistan Textile Mills Association has summoned a session to discuss the situation after the suspension of gas supply to 400 textile mills in Punjab. Defamation case to be filed against Justice Wajihuddin Ahmed. Minister for Information and Broadcasting Fawad Chaudhry has said that the government has decided to file a defamation case against Justice retired Wajihuddin Ahmed over his baseless allegations against Prime Minister Imran Khan regarding Banigala's household expenses. Woman who brutally murdered husband in Karachi, Sadr sent to jail. The Judicial Magistrate South on Thursday sent a woman arrested for allegedly killing her husband and chopping his body into pieces in Karachi's Sadr area to prison on judicial remand. Thank you for watching CID News Network Islamabad.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.